Welcome, today I am with Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earphones and I'll show you how we can change notifications language. So we have to be connected with the Audio Razer application, and next we'll start from this screen. We have to tap on the right upper corner settings icon and then go for the prompt language. As you can see, we can find here a few default languages. So currently we are set up with the English, but if you want to change, for example, for Deutsch, just click here, tap to proceed, and right now our earphones will be able to use the second language, but of course we have to wait until the download will be finished, and of course we have to make this operation by using our Razer audio application. Without this application, we will be not able to use this, so just wait until we hit the 100%. Okay, and I hope that you can hear that notification sound. Right now it changed for German language, so yeah, that's how we can make it. Just wait until it will disappear. Okay, right now we can just simply click close, and right now I will, for example, turn on the game mode. Okay, so as you can hear, that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.